Well, the power's out of the house. In this video I'm going to show you how to fit this Husqvarna rear tail bag to a Husqvarna 701 SM. So with the set we get the waterproof roll bag, 2 short straps, 2 longer straps, we get 2 loops that we attach to the bike and then some fixings. There are several fixings supplied and these cover a range of the Husqvarna bikes, and we only need these 2 here which are specific for the 701. We can also get rid of the longer straps as only the short ones are required for the 701. So I've laid out what we need on the floor. And just for reference, the part number of this bag is on the screen now. So the first thing to do is remove the seat. We do this by pulling the loop under the left hand side of the seat whilst lifting up on the back of the seat, then remove both clips at the front. Then using a T30 Torx bit with my wrench, I loosen the screws under the seat. So there's the screws I just removed, and when placed next to the new screws with the kit you realise they're exactly the same, so I'm just going to reuse my old screws and keep the others for spare. Now we need to take the fabric loops and secure these down through the metal eyelets using the screws we just removed. When positioning the looped fabric, have it project out at 90 degrees to the bike's seat. This way we can tuck it away under the seat when the bag's not in use, which I'll show you in a minute. So a quick look at how the bag works. By undoing these 2 clips and rolling the bag out, you can get access to the bag. Roll it back up and clip it back together. The bag is closed. And these are the straps that fix the bag to the bike. You can see on the end of this strap another loop. So to attach the bag to the bike, unclip the strap, feed it through the loop we attached to the bike earlier, then feed it back through the loop on the end of the strap and clip back into the bag. Then do exactly the same to the other side. Then lift the bag up and place the strap at the rear of the bag over the rear fender. I'm now going to put the seat back into place before making some fine adjustments. To tighten the bag up to the bike, we can now pull on the 2 front straps. And you can also pull on the rear straps to tighten up the rear of the bag if required. If you need to fill up with fuel, you simply slacken the front straps, unhook the back and tilt the bag forward. Secure the bag back down in the reverse order, tightening all straps to your desired tension. If riding without the bag, you can unclip the front clips, remove the bag, unloop the clips from the loops attached to the bike, then fold the loops exactly in half back on themselves and tuck underneath the seat, and it should look something like this. So there you have it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been Pouse out of the house. Ta-ta, farewell.